I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not one of them.
Stop the fight!
We don't have to kill them.
Stop! Stop! Take it down! No! Put it with the others.
He's protecting me.
Took your mother!
There's something else on the island. A dragon like I've never seen. I know, but I'm here now.
I was only a cannibal.
That's all I need. That thing has wings. Time to disappear. Here it goes!
Quite the cheek you have in the making there.